This is being presented by my colleague Andy Yee, and it was a privilege to be part of this study. In fact, we at Dana-Farber are actually equal, if not majority enrollers to that trial in partnership with Andy and colleagues at Mass General. ISABELA, I think, is a fabulous trial. It's a combination of Isatuximab, Belantamab, Pomalidomide, and Dexamethasone. And what we've seen is that the combination of all four drugs is well tolerated. The ocular toxicity is very manageable. We've had no discontinuations of Belantamab for ocular toxicity, and most importantly, all of the effects of the Belamaf on the eye have been mild to moderate, reversible, and manageable. And this is a very important message to share with our listeners, because I think to some extent there is a misunderstanding about ocular toxicity from Belantamab. It's simply a corneal effect that's transient. In our hands, it's reversible every time. We haven't seen serious complications such as corneal ulcer, which just simply haven't, not only in this study, but in others as well. And we've treated over 170 patients with Belantamab at Dana-Farber, for example. And the rates of hospitalization and so on are vanishingly low. So Bela is a very real-world, practical, effective platform. And in that spirit, combining Isatuximab with Belantamab, Pomalidomide, and Dexamethasone, our response rate's actually about 90%, which is remarkable. And the progression-free estimates that Andy has are equally impressive and approaching 3 years. So I think with all of that in mind, we've identified a very effective quadruplet, and Andy's presenting early data on that. In terms of other toxicities, our rates of infection have been very low. In an interesting way, IVIG use has been recommended for hypergammaglobulinemia, but I can say with the use of Isatuximab and Bela, the necessity of using immunoglobulin replacement therapy is perhaps less than we have expected, and that's encouraging, and we'll continue to follow the study and report accordingly.